Asa, President and CEO of ITAM. This conference there's been so much energy this year. So many new advancements in our profession. We have our master's program, our bachelor's program. We have all kinds of new educational programs.
I love coming to the IAITAM conference, mostly for the networking and all the great content.
This is my first time in ITAM. The experience has been great. Speakers were great. I'm definitely going to come back.
I've had the best time here. I've made wonderful relationships here at this conference, and this has been so inspiring for me, and I've enjoyed it so much.
I had a blast being here, but more than that, I'll remember the joy they left me.
A lot to take in, but a lot of great valuable information, a lot of great networking, ability to talk to different people about their experiences.
This conference is more than a conference, it's a family reunion.
Very happy. A lot of knowledge, a lot of people to meet. There's a lot of things to learn, so it's a new learning experience and it's good.
Networking, and it was just an amazing event.
My experience has been pretty positive.
We love it. ITAM's a great show. We support the organization.
And honestly, it's been a very, very knowledgeable experience.